A double murder trial involving teenagers is underway in Newport News.
Prosecutors say Amareon Eley was 15 years old when he killed 15-year-old Erek Wright and 18-year-old Tyree Spady in 2019. Now Eley is back in court, and prosecutors called their first witnesses to the stand. Emily Harrison has the latest from the courthouse.
Now 20 years old, Amareon Eley has entered not guilty pleas for the murders of Erek Wright and Tyree Spady. The two died in August 2019. Police body camera video shows Newport News police officers arrive at Heritage Forest Apartments to find both boys outside suffering from multiple gunshot injuries. Wright died at the scene, and investigators say Spady died just hours later after paramedics took him to a nearby hospital. Now, 5 years later, the case is going to trial. Forensic analysts took the stand and told jurors they went through the victims' phones and found a connection to then 15-year-old Amareon Eley. Those witnesses say Eley argued with one of the victims about a stolen gun over social media. And when investigators questioned him, Eley allegedly confessed he knew the victims and was there the night of the shooting. Detectives say Eley and another teenager went to Heritage Forest Apartments to rob Wright and Spady, but the robbery turned violent when one victim refused to give up the gun. That is when investigators say the shooting happened and later charged Eley with both murders. But Eley says it was the other unnamed teenager who pulled the trigger. Still, Eley is facing multiple felonies, including murder, robbery, and a gun charge. Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
It's also not the first time this case has gone to trial. A judge declared a mistrial in July before it got started because of an issue with a juror.